I think the Marist School Psychology program is really great for anyone who has a passion for education, and in the end you're able to really help all the different students that you're going to work with and helping the families as well. One of the reasons that I chose this career path is that I'm able to advocate for families and for students, and I'm also able to allow families to advocate for themselves and for them to learn a little bit more about the special education process, about the education field overall, so that they really understand how they can best help their child. I get really excited when I do counseling and I kind of see a sort of breakthrough with my students, whether it's in groups and they're able to work together really well with their team, or whether it's individually and they're really excited about the activity that we're doing. And then I see that transfer into the classroom as well, which is really great. In the Marist School Psychology program, it starts off with you learning a lot of different theories and a lot of research that is current in the field of school psychology, but then you very quickly start to put all of those theories into practice in the classroom. And for example, you're able to practice different group counseling sessions, individual counseling sessions, teacher consultations as well. And all of that transfers into your practicum and your internship experience, where you're able to apply that in real life. It also felt that our cohort, I think, became very close with our professors as well, because a lot of them were currently practicing school psychologists. They would give us something that happened in their day, and then they would ask us, what do you think that you would do in that situation? And it really felt that we were collaborating with our professors, and it's not just them up there teaching you, but you really working as a team. You do an internship during your third year, and working with your professors, they find the best fit for you, where they think that you're going to thrive, and you get placed in a school district. And for my internship year, I was able to work with a bilingual school psychologist who worked primarily with bilingual students and families as well. So I feel that this program really prepared me for my current role as a school psychologist. It can be a little scary when you're a first-year school psychologist and everyone else around you has a ton of expertise, but going into my role, I felt really prepared.